Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to add a double exposure effect on your poster using Canva application. Okay, so first open your Canva and then add the picture that you want to edit on your poster. For example, I will try to use this motorcycle picture. And then after that, click Magic Studio and then click the BG remover and open a new page like this. And after that, add an image one more time. For example, I already prepared this motorcycle picture like this. And after that, try to positioning the image onto the try to adjust the size of the image as same as the design size like this, and then click download. And after that, download the image, and after done, go back onto the first page, and then open the gallery and insert the image that you already saved before like this. And now after that, go back onto your toolbars and open the apps and click easy reflection, and then click the apps like this. And after that, don't forget to click the image that you want to add a reflection. And there's a few choice of reflection, but we will try to use the right reflection like this and decrease the offset like this, I think on 25. And then for the opacity, increase it until 100, and decrease one more time the offset until 0 like this. And after that, swipe up and add to design. Wait for a moment. And after you adding the element onto the design, adjust the size of it. Make sure it's covering all of the design size like this. And after that, double tap. I try to adjust the size and the position. And after that, click position button and click backward. And on the first image, this one, wait for a moment, I try to adjust the size of the frame like this. At the first image, let's click flip to make it going right like this. And I try to make it straight like this. After that, adjust the size of it one more time like this. And after you finish doing it, now you need to insert a text. For example, I would like to type Royal Enfield and change the font. I will use this Classy Folk Regular, and then move the font onto the bottom of the poster like this and change the color of it. For example, I will try to use this color as same as the image color like this. And after you finish doing it, wait for a moment, let me adjust it one more time. After you finish doing it, now click the background, this one, and change the color onto brown color. I think I will use, wait for a moment, I think I will use this photo colors like this because it will make it easier to adjust. And after you finish doing it, now we can see the result just by now. And if you want to make the font much more bolder, you can adjust it and add a bold font. Let me give you an example. For example, I will try to use, no, that's not good font. I will try to use this font like this, and you can see it that it's already bold, much more bold than the first one. And that's the way how to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.